Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, July 20th, 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. Taxpayers pay for installing, running generators at ministers' homes. The government has reportedly spent approximately 2.6 million rand to keep the lights on in the homes of cabinet ministers during load shedding. The Democratic Alliance, DA, said the African National Congress, ANC, must prioritize helping vulnerable South Africans instead. A CityPress report revealed that taxpayer money bankrolled the purchase and installation of generators at the official residences of ministers and deputy ministers in Pretoria. A Department of Public Works and Infrastructure spokesperson said making ministers' houses load-shedding proof cost 1.3 million rand in the previous financial year. Since April 1, 2022, a further 681,000 rand has been spent. Accident on N11 kills family and grandkids of Deputy Transport Minister. The son and family of Deputy Minister of Transport Sindisiwe Chikanga were all killed in a tragic car accident. Chikanga's son was traveling with his wife and 4 children when they got into a collision on Sunday night. None of them made it out alive. The Deputy Minister of Transport received the shocking and devastating news of the passing of her son. But the accident also killed her daughter-in-law and 4 grandchildren, said spokesperson Colin Sibi. Poet, author and activist Don Matara has died. It has been confirmed that Don Matara died on Monday, July 18th. He was a beloved poet, author and anti-apartheid activist. An official statement regarding the details of his passing has yet to be released. South Africans showed their love and respect for Matara, often nicknamed Bro Don, after his passing was announced on Monday. Matara died peacefully in his home in Pretoria Glen, according to family members. Jessie Hess's cousin gets double life for murdering her and her grandpa. David Van Baven and Tesliam Ambrose were sentenced in the Cape Town High Court on Tuesday, July 19th, for their involvement in the murder and robbery of Jessie Hess, 19, and her 85-year-old grandfather, Chris Lategone. Van Baven, who is the cousin of the late University of the Western Cape, UWC, theology student, was sentenced to 2 terms of life imprisonment for murder, 40 years for 2 counts of robbery, 8 years for sexual assault and 3 years for fraud. Ambrose was sentenced to 12 years imprisonment for 2 counts of robbery with aggravating circumstances, said South African Police Service, SAPS, spokesperson, Ndek Gwala. Minister of Health tests positive for COVID-19. The Minister of Health, Dr. Joe Foller, has contracted COVID-19, his department announced on Tuesday, July 19th. National Health Department spokesperson, Foster Moholi, said Foller tested positive for COVID-19 on Tuesday after experiencing minor symptoms. Minister Foller took tests earlier today and the results came back positive, and he immediately self-isolated, said Moholi. Foller will continue with his official duties from home for a period of 7 days. The Minister of Health has received 2 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which he believes has boosted. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.